Sandy, of course, served as a pivotal point for forecasting. Well, residents had time to prepare for Sandy. They knew it was coming. The American forecast models, though, were a complete bust.
And because of that, major computer upgrades were made. As Weather Watch 12 meteorologist Chris Cloninger explains, those upgrades will lead to more accurate snowfall forecasts starting this season.
This time last year, parts of Manhattan were underwater, the subway system was inundated, beachfront homes consumed by the Atlantic Ocean, and fires burned out of control. One of the first lessons learned from Sandy:
our computing systems that predict weather and the Weather Service could certainly be updated.
The Weather Service's European counterparts showed the storm making landfall along the coast of New Jersey 5 days out. The American models turned the storm out to sea. According to meteorologist Jeff Craven, Congress wrote a $25 million check to the Weather Service to pay for system upgrades after Sandy. The result?
We reran the models, and it did just like the European took it into New Jersey.
Our lakeshore experienced gusty winds and near record wave heights during Sandy, but for the most part, we were spared. So why should you care about these upgrades?
People will notice a couple of days earlier we'll start talking about big snows.
This year, forecast total snowfalls will be made earlier, and they'll be more accurate. The next round of funding, which will be put towards additional upgrades, is set for 2015. This, too, will help forecast accuracy significantly.
Now, Chris, you were there as Sandy hit 1 year ago. I'm sure pretty good memories, or bad memories for that matter, after that storm.
It really was. One of the first, I want to show you a series of pictures. The first picture, heading into Queens, you see a row for miles of National Guard Hummers line the streets. You drive down the highways, and you see boats basically in the middle of the roadway. If we can advance this picture, I don't know why we're having some problems advancing this. Let's see. We advance a little bit more?
Oh, Chris, hang on. It's coming.
It's coming. There we go. You can see boats in the middle of the roadways there, and with the aid of the Pennsylvania search and rescue. And there's Breezy Point, some of the fires there. 24 hours after the storm, that fire was still burning. And the final picture, I was there during the storm. I was there 3 months after the storm. And that is what Breezy Point looked like 3 months after Sandy made landfall.